going to show you how to use the masking tool in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and then from the gallery we have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. Then, after we selected our picture, we have to tap on this little circle here. Also we can just press M, and then this opens up the masking menu. Here we can tap on subject if we want to select the subject of the image, and then the computer is going to recognize the subject of the image and create a separate editing layer that we can manipulate. So for example, if I increase the exposure of this layer, then only this is going to be affected. But if we tap on the reverse, then I mean, we can reverse the selection as well. So yeah, that's how you use the masking tool in Lightroom. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.